and for today's video, I'm here with Paisley, and we're kicking off our new series, which we are calling Upcycle AG. So as the name implies, Upcycle AG is where I'm going to be taking pieces of clothes that I find from the thrift store, or things that I already own, not even clothes, like maybe I really want to do some like decor DIYs with this series, but basically I'm going to just be taking old stuff that I find, and I'm going to be transforming it into something new for my American Girl dolls. So for the first episode today, I'm going to be taking a black t-shirt, and I am going to be transforming that into this really adorable two-piece set for my American Girl dolls. So if you're interested in knowing how I did that, just go ahead and keep on watching. And also, before we get started with the tutorial, I want to say two things. So the first thing being that I just got a new microphone, so I don't know if the audio quality is going to be different or not, but if you if you feel it is, then let me know in the comment section down below. If not, then maybe I'll have to like play around with the settings on my camera. And also, the second thing that I want to mention is today is Valentine's Day by the time you guys are seeing this, so happy Valentine's Day. I don't have a Valentine, but I'm asking you guys to be my Valentine. So please be my Valentine this Valentine's Day. Also, if you haven't already, be sure you check out my no-sew tops for Valentine's Day video. That was last Sunday's video, because I didn't get it out on Wednesday. But yeah, that'll be linked in the card in the top right hand corner and also in the description box down below. But now I'm gonna start rambling, and let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So the shirt that I'm using is this one from Aeropostale. It is in this black color with white stars printed all over it, and the material that it's made out of is kind of like this burnout material, so it is sheer in some areas, which is pretty cool. And the goal of this series is to use as much as the original garment as I possibly can. So to begin, I started by deconstructing the shirt by cutting off the sleeves and then cutting down the side seams so that I would have a flat surface to work with. Then on one of the sleeves, I folded it in half, and then I placed on a pattern piece for the back half of a t-shirt, and I'll link the pattern that I used in the description box down below if I can find it. If not, any t-shirt pattern will work. And I placed the side seam of the t-shirt pattern at the fold of the sleeve. But I cut through this fold. I just wanted to have two separate pieces that were symmetrical. And then I also left the curvy part on the sleeve attached to the piece that I cut out, and that's going to create the tie-up pieces that we'll have on our shirt later on. I then cut out the front pattern piece with the extra fabric, and that's actually going to become the back of the shirt. So we're flipping the shirt around to create the ties, and I didn't get a clip of me doing this, but I cut out some sleeves as well. And then I began to assemble my shirt as I would a normal shirt. So I sewed the shoulder seams of the back and front pieces together, right sides together, and then I pinned and sewed on the sleeves. So then on the front portion of the shirt, I noticed that there was a little like plateau looking area before it went down into the triangle shape, so I just went ahead and I cut that off so that the front panels of my shirt were one smooth triangle, so that it would be easier for me to tie up later on. And once I did that, I went ahead and hemmed the top of the shirt, and then it was completed. So I also decided that I wanted to make a pair of shorts using the extra fabric, so I'll link the shorts pattern that I used in the description box down below. I basically just followed the tutorial that is part of that pattern, except for the hem. I did a lettuce hem, and basically what you do for a lettuce hem is that you kind of finish the edge of the shorts like you would doing like just a zigzag stitch to prevent fraying, and then you make the stitch length smaller and you pull the fabric as you hem it, and that's what going to create the curly lettuce looking effect. And I'll have a more in-depth tutorial on how I learned how to do this linked in the description box down below for you guys, so that you can learn how to do it as well. To wear the top, I just tied it up into a bow, and I paired it with the shorts that I made from the t-shirt as well. So anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other American Girl doll videos, like outfit videos, sewing tutorials, hairstyle videos, and more. And yeah, be sure you check out the description box down below, because all the links that I mentioned that were going to be down there in this video will be down there for you to check out. And yeah, so I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope you continue to have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time for another one. Bye!